going on in there, Alistair?
Not much. Just hanging out. Hanging right out.
Sweet. Yeah, so we actually started the engine and it worked good, but the actual button that like puts the engine in neutral got stuck. So now we need to go in there and just have a look at it and try to get this button out so we can actually put in a back gear or 4 gear on it. So this thing should be pretty corroded, right?
Don't know, we'll see. When you don't have the right tools, but you gotta make the right tools. Should have a new impeller in soon, if all goes well.
Hope for that, yeah. How about you girls? You just keeping Facebook and the intellectual world updated?
They're working hard, real hard.
I'm being super good moral support over here.
Yeah, definitely.
We're just listening to the music. We're morally supporting you guys from afar, trying not to be in the way.
I don't think any more brains could fit over there, actually.
Probably not. Not any big brains anyway.
Fucking great! You just hook up your little GoPro and you go along and you videotape the fish from afar. I bet I could get a solid like 5 feet down in the water with this bad boy.
That is pretty big.
Take it off. Turn me on.
I want to see it off. Good in the boat in the water.
The dream.
Oh, okay guys, it's finally time to put the boat in water. Boat is right there. We are right here because we can't be on it right now, but super stoked about that. We're on our way down into the water. You guys are pulling lines, and I'm just waiting actually for the boat to slide down. It's moving really smooth. It's moment of truth. Time to start the engine. Heck yeah. It's running good. All good. Slide down. First trip, it was far, it was intense, and it was amazing.
Perilous journey.
Truly amazing.
Truly amazing.
Truly amazing.
What's going on down there?
Not much. How's it up there?
I can see the oil down at Hog Island. Seems like they're having a good time. Crazy Australian is out in the mud water, cleaning up all the mold from the dinghy.
I will fuck shit up if we're gonna party.
There you go.
I need some
We're fucking shit
tequila.
up, guys.
It's running out of my veins now. I need to like reinduce it into my body. I'm going through withdrawals.
Have you ever heard of a program called AA?
Getting out of here, okay? The alcoholics get to talk on their own, and now I'm just going out, checking out the view. We're on a new spot right now, and sails are up. We put one of the Genoas the wrong way to begin with, but totally did it again, so it's all good now.
Just heading into town. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just chilling.
It's pretty exciting. You girls excited?
Super excited.
Always excited.
What do you reckon, Alistair? We found the right kind of oil. Golf
We could be in business here.
I hope so. So we've been searching around all of Grenada for mineral oil for the engine, and basically all of Grenada, but we only find like synthetic. So hopefully now we found the right one.
Yeah, man. Just changing Gustav's fuel filter. As you can see, it was super duper clean. Look underneath.
Oh damn.
Hot damn.
Beautiful.
Caribbean fuel at its finest.
Look at that. Yeah, I'm pretty happy we did this. Or you did this.
We're gonna live. We're not gonna die out there.
So today is a quite big day here on Grenada because it's the 7th of February and it's the Independence Day.
We're right there.
What do you think about that, guys?
Excited!
We're actually at the National Arena right now, celebrating the Independence Day of Grenada. It's like this ceremony right now with all the military people. And yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on, but it's pretty cool. There's a lot of people. We're on it with the engine once again. Hopefully for the last time this time. What do you think, Alistair? It's working out?
Hopefully, this is the last time. Then to the tender engine.
Then it's the tender engine.
With the seized gearbox.
Hopefully not, but we'll see what happens.
Here we have the lower unit of the tender outboard. It's meant to be a lubricated gearbox, but inside we have this. That's not good lubrication. I haven't even drained the gearbox yet and it is just filled with dry crap. We'll see what we can do.
Just getting some good scrubbing done, little car wash, Caribbean style.
We're basically finished with all the preparations and tomorrow it's time to finally go sailing. We're gonna head north and sail for a day basically, so gonna go up to an island called Cariaco and just anchor there and just hang out for a while. And it's gonna be nice. Slowly backwards. Okay, so you're just holding the boat basically?
Yep. Morning.
Good morning. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you on the high seas.
See you on the high seas.
Okay, I'm putting in the back gear.
Jump on?
Yeah, jump on board.
Alright. Thanks, Larry. Alright.
Bye.
And we're off.
And we are off.
We are off.
We're
Finally.
Oh, Kaiser, are you excited to be finally sailing? Only took us.
Can't wait
like
to get these babies out.
Sailing into the sunset. Nice romantic cruise for the crew. It's a lovely day. Actually put Kaiser to sleep. If you
Useless, Kaiser. What are you doing?
I'm up now. I'm awake.
Closer to our amazing goal of Cariaco. It's actually been a few good sailing hours the last ones. As soon as we got outside of Grenada we set the sails and we're on a bit of a tack all the way. But now the wind has gone down a little bit and the waves have also gone down, so now we're basically surfing in 6 knots. It's really nice. I just came up after the first free dive for this season and it was amazing. The anchor is set, the sun is just going down and Kaisa is making some food.
I am.
How's it going?
It's going good. Gonna have some chickpeas.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, I can eat anything now.
Yeah, and that's where we're at.
It is time for kind of Swedish tradition called ankadram, which means that you're gonna drink something really strong when you throw anchor at a new spot. So that is what we're gonna do now. And this rum is actually really good. It's my favorite rum. Mickey.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome. Alistair.
I don't like it.
Okay, then you're good. Then you get it in the wine glass. Kaisa.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And me. Skål, everybody.
Skål.
Skål.
Skål. I don't know what that means, but okay.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to support us even more, head over to our Patreon page and become a part of our amazing Patreon crew.